Assalamualaikum. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the exciting world of smart innovation from our company, Fanspring. Today, we are thrilled to present our latest innovation, which is the Auto Trash Bin. Get ready to dive into the future ways of management. First of all, let's take a quick glance at what's coming up in our presentation. We'll be covering 4 keys of area today. The first key is a company product, which is to discover the foundation that drive our creativity. Second, existing product to learn about our current offering and their impact. Third, innovation to explore the cutting-edge future of our revolutionary auto trash bin. And lastly, the target market to identify the audience that will benefit from this remarkable invention. About the company. At Fanspring, we are not your average company. We are a dynamic product development firm with a flair for technology. Our expertise in blending innovation with creative problem-solving position us at the forefront of the industry. As for our vision and mission, our vision is to lead the pack in the product development, harnessing advanced technology to create innovative solutions that exceed expectation and improve life. We strive to address a real-world issue and make a positive impact on society through our creative and customer-centric approach. For our mission, it's simple yet powerful. We develop innovative products by harnessing advanced technology, collaborating closely with our customer, and consistently surpassing their expectation. Together, we can tackle, challenge, and shape a brighter future. Okay, let's meet up the fantastic scene behind the Fanspring. Our organizational chart showcases the brilliant mind responsible for making it all happen. Our president, Muhammad Hazrul, leads the way with a visionary thinking. Assisting him is our secretary, our Muhammad Nur Hazim, keeping things organized and efficient. Heading up to our designing department is Ahmad Firzan, bringing creativity to life. And Nurul Shahira takes charge of production, ensuring quality and timely delivery. Amizal Hazmi leads our manufacturing team and making sure everything runs smoothly. And last but not least, Muhammad Haziq heads up our marketing effort and spreading the word about our incredible product.
Hi, my name is Unikl MFI. Now, let's look at section B, which is the existing product. In this section, I will explain what the existing product features are and the problem statement for this product. Okay, let's see the features first. The existing product is the traditional trash bin, or we usually call the normal trash bin. So the trash bin that we usually see in every home have a handle, wheel, and the trash bin lids. The characteristic of the traditional trash bin is the traditional trash bins are usually used in homes or public areas. Trash bins are usually made of plastic. The lid has to be opened manually to remove the waste. Traditional trash bins do not have any automation or technology features, and the bins are stationary and must be manually moved to the curbs. So from the characteristic I mentioned, this is a key problem to the public in handling garbage disposal. So next, let's see what is the problem statement. So the first problem statement is most people have to carry their trash to the central bin or outside bin, which can be challenging, especially if it's heavy or messy. Heavy or bulky litter can cause strain and possible injury while carrying. They maybe have a broken glass in the trash or the aluminum cans that have been opened, which can cause the injury. So distance between the living space and the bin can create difficulties in garbage disposal because the bin is located outside the house. Next, the second problem statement is taking out the trash can be seen as a hassle and inconvenient task for many individuals. People often forget or neglect to take out the trash, leading to overflowing bins and unpleasant odors. Forgetting to take out the trash can miss trash pickup schedule, further exacerbating the problem. So we can see to handle garbage disposal is one method that is hard for all people to do it. And the last problem statement is traditional trash bin rely on manual effort to move and empty, which can be physically demanding for some individuals. The process of lifting and carrying heavy trash bin can be time-consuming and inconvenient. Emptying traditional trash bin required multiple steps, such as opening the lid, removing the bag, and disposing of the trash, which can be cumbersome. So, this problem statement shows that normal trash bins have a lack of automation in their operation. Users have to physically handle the bin, move it, and open it manually, which can be inconvenient and time-consuming.
I want to explain about the innovation of the trash bin. There have three types of the innovation of trash bin. The first one is including our instrumental. Trash bin can connect phone, system and automatic throw. The number two is about the system. The system can suitability of facility. Lastly is our aesthetically. This is the compact and easy for the maintainer. Product of the clarification, including our three system. And the first one is automatic system. They can detect fully quantity to dispose using use. Number two, the multifunction, expanded option, recommended varying amount of waste. And the lastly is easy to maintain and clean. As example is smooth surface and draining system.
Okay, I'm going to tell you about the problem that we face and we solve. The first problem is that some people forget to throw out the trash, especially at night, which will cause the trash to smell very bad the next day. So we created an automatic trash can that will throw out the trash by itself at the time that we want. So we just need to set the time, and the automatic trash can will throw out the trash for us automatically. The second problem is that some people don't have enough power to throw away a lot of trash. So we solve that problem by creating an automatic trash can that will throw away all our trash but by itself at once. So we just need to control the auto trash can by our mobile phone only. So it will make the someone to throw out the trash really easy. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Hello, hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Haziq bin Abdul Manam and I will represent my group to present our design part for our project. So, for the first design of the trash was primarily focused on fulfilling the basic need of waste containment. Basically, these early trash cans were categorized by their simplicity and practicality. It will be look simpler and more plain. The primary objective of this early design was to provide a designated space for collecting and storing waste in controlled manner. They were typically rectangular in shape, making them easy to manufacture and use. So, for the dimension, the first design was produced and was designed with the height in 65 in height 65 cm and in length 30 cm and the width is 45 cm, which means the volume of container in liters, it can provide you 87.75 liters for per container. Move on to our final design. So for our final design, the dimension of the auto trash bin has been considered to ensure it occupies minimal space while still providing sufficient capacity for waste disposal, with a height of 67.5 cm and a length of 36.3 cm and a width of 36.3 cm. This trash bin can fit seamlessly into various environments, whether in its households or offices or public areas, or even smaller spaces like bathrooms or even kitchens. With this kind of dimension, it will allow you to be conveniently placed in areas with limited floor space or tight corners. Its compact design ensures that it doesn't obstruct pathways or take up excessive room, making it an ideal choice for optimizing space utilization without compromising on functionality. The dimension of the auto trash bin struck a balance between providing sufficient capacity for waste disposal and being compact enough to fit in various spaces. This sizing ensures practically convenience and versatility in waste management scenarios. Next, we move on to the lead part. We added new features which called the compaction system. The compaction system is to achieve the compression of the rubbish. The applied force from the compacting plate compacts the rubbish, reducing its volume by compressing it tightly. This compression action effectively increased the bin's capacity to accommodate more waste within a limited space. The compaction system is usually equipped with sensors or switches. So in our project, we add some sensors to detect the fill level of the bin or monitor the position of the compacting plate. It will ensuring that the compaction process occurs only when necessary and preventing any potential issues or damage. We also added holes into our product for specific purposes. In outdoor environments, trash cans with holes are often used to allow rainwater to drain out. These holes prevent the accumulation of water inside the bins, which can lead to unpleasant odors or become a breeding ground for mosquitoes. For the overall, the design of the auto trash bin represents a significant step forward in waste management technologies. It combines practically efficiency and innovative features to provide an effective solution for waste containment. With its compact size, advanced compaction system and user-friendly design, the auto trash bin offers convenience and effectiveness in managing and disposing of rubbish.
Moving on to the last part of the presentation, which is target market. The first one is busy and urban professionals. Targeting working professionals in urban area who have skills and demand for household jobs can be effective. Next, tech enthusiasts. Individuals who are early adopters of technology and enjoy integrating smart devices into their homes will be a suitable target market. Then, seniors and individuals with mobility challenge. The automated trash bin can be practically beneficial to seniors and individuals with mobility issues. Lastly, high-income households. Targeting households with high disposable income can be profitable as they will likely to invest in convenient and time-saving solutions. Next, there are several benefits of the product. The first one is it is convenient. It eliminates the need for manual emptying the bin. Next, efficiency. It optimizes waste collection and disposal process. Second, hygiene and odor control. It prevents foul odors and reduces the risk of attracting pests and insects. Then, mobility and accessibility. The motorized bin makes the trash bin easy to move, especially for the elders. Besides that, sustainability. It promotes sustainable waste management